Why entrepreneurs should start manufacturing business of monocrystalline silicon ingots. Are you an entrepreneur seeking the next big opportunity in the manufacturing sector? Today, we delve into why starting a manufacturing business for monocrystalline silicon ingots. What is monocrystalline silicon ingots? Monocrystalline silicon ingots are high-purity silicon crystals used primarily in producing high-efficiency solar cells and advanced electronic components. These ingots are manufactured through a meticulous process that ensures a uniform crystal structure, enhancing performance and durability. This makes them essential for cutting-edge solar and semiconductor technologies. Applications of monocrystalline silicon ingots. Monocrystalline silicon ingots are the backbone of the solar energy industry, powering everything from residential rooftops to massive solar farms. Here's why this business is not just lucrative but also essential for a sustainable future. Why entrepreneurs should consider this business. Growing demand. The global shift towards renewable energy sources is driving up the demand for high-quality solar cells, which rely on monocrystalline silicon ingots. With the Indian government's push towards solar energy, there's a burgeoning market right at your doorstep. Versatile applications. Monocrystalline silicon ingots are crucial in manufacturing solar panels, electronics, and semiconductors. Their efficiency and reliability make them the preferred choice for high-performance solar cells. Setting up a high-tech manufacturing facility. Technological advancements. Investing in the latest technology and machinery, which costs approximately 178 lakhs, ensures you stay ahead of the curve. Advanced production techniques enhance the quality and yield of silicon ingots, giving you a competitive edge. Attractive ROI. With a total project cost of 555 lakhs, the manufacturing business offers a promising return on investment. The initial expenditure is justified by the high demand and the premium price that monocrystalline silicon ingots command in the market. Market outlook. The global market for monocrystalline silicon ingots is projected to grow significantly, with major markets in North America, Europe, and Asia. India, with its ambitious solar energy targets, presents immense business opportunities for startups and established entrepreneurs alike. Key benefits and advantages. Monocrystalline silicon ingots offer higher efficiency and durability compared to their polycrystalline counterparts. They are essential for producing high-efficiency solar cells, which are crucial for maximizing energy output in limited spaces. Business opportunities. Entering the monocrystalline silicon ingot manufacturing business opens doors to various partnerships and collaborations. You can cater to the growing needs of solar panel manufacturers, electronics businesses, and even semiconductor industries. Key benefits and advantages. Monocrystalline silicon ingots offer higher efficiency and durability compared to their polycrystalline counterparts. They are essential for producing high-efficiency solar cells, which are crucial for maximizing energy output in limited spaces. Business opportunities. Entering the monocrystalline silicon ingot manufacturing business opens doors to various partnerships and collaborations. You can cater to the growing needs of solar panel manufacturers, electronics businesses, and even semiconductor industries. Conclusion. Starting a manufacturing business for monocrystalline silicon ingots is not just an investment in your future but also in the future of sustainable energy. With clear market demand, substantial returns on investment, and the opportunity to contribute to a greener planet, this is a venture worth considering. Ready to make a difference? Start your journey in the monocrystalline silicon ingots manufacturing business today. For more insights and a detailed business plan, contact us at Neer Project Consultancy Services. Together, let's build a brighter, sustainable future.